that's grass. Probably gonna break off my last swim bait. There we go, finally. Some kind of distance. We have this new rod, Daiwa Aired X. Just gonna try it. It's $50, it's pretty cheap, so you know, it's my kind of price. I have to go heavier. This is not really casting as far as I would want it to. This is 1/4 ounce, so it's at the bottom of its rating. Okay, good. Got one. Oh no, bruh. I think it was a small baby one or something. Pecked at it kind of hard. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on. I think it was fighting back a little bit. Maybe that was grass. I don't know. I feel like a white grub would do good. I'm gonna have to throw that. This is rare. I'm literally the only person fishing here at Harper Island. Is that good or bad? We'll see. A couple bites, so it's gotta be good, right? The tide's kind of high now. Oh, he got one. How's your drag?
Pretty good one, man.
Nice. On the fluke. Now you got it. Don't break your rod.
No. I didn't even bring my gloves, man. I wasn't expecting to
You don't need gloves. See, it's pretty easy. You just grab them.
Hey, man. How about that?
Nice.
Got the skunk off here. I gotta get a picture of him.
Here, hold it.
Better make it quick. He's gonna die. I don't want this one to die on me.
He's not gonna die.
Okay, hold on.
I need a picture just to prove.
Hold it. Hold on.
You need to hold it.
All right, chuck it.
It's your fish. I'm kidding. Fine. It's your fish, though. You gotta hold it.
Well, it's your.
Look,
gear.
it's incredibly difficult. I'm
It's your
holding.
gear.
My head
Here,
is.
hold on.
My hand is in so much pain.
All right.
You know. Come off. Oh my god, my drag. Dad. A little calico. There we go. Skunk's finally off. Tiny little calico. Look at the colors on this one. This one's like purple. It's cool. Alright, let me get a pic of him. Nice though. Little baby calico. Thanks for biting, bud. Thanks for breaking my skunk. I appreciate it. First fish on the new rod too. I'm probably gonna get a better rod. I just need something right now other than that red one. But I'm actually liking this $50 rod. It's pretty nice, pretty sensitive for the price anyway. That was a hit. Tiny one. It's probably another baby calico or something. We're getting bites, dude. New Year's Eve. nice right now. For me, it's too cold. God, these things are heavy. Got him. All right, that's the second one of the day. Small. Gosh, it's such a small bite, man. They bite it so small in winter, or lightly. Okay. See you, bud. Sun is going down. Just 2 little ones today. It's better than nothing though. Got one. That was lucky. Little one.
What are they?
It's a little bay bass.
Spotted bay bass.
You wanna see it? It's just a little one. You wanna touch it?
Yeah, touch him. Oh, he's got his gloves on.
Just a little one. It's third one of the day. No problem. Yeah.